Welcome to T-AITechnology channel. Today we will guide you how to register and use ChatGPT completely free. Okay, let's go. First, you need to visit the website poe.com. Enter your email and press enter. Next, enter the verification code sent to your email and press enter. If you are a new user, you will need to verify with your phone as well. Because I'm already signing up for an account, this step is skipped. Now let's see together what we can do with ChatGPT. You can ask it questions about common sense such as, which mountain is the highest, which ocean is the largest? Just enter the question. The answer will be given quickly. You can choose the options below if you want more detailed information. I'll try making a request that's a bit more difficult, like making a timetable. Oh, it wants to know what kind of schedule I want to set up. I will choose this option. Let's see. Wow, that's a pretty detailed timetable, but maybe I still need to tweak it a bit.
Now I'm going to try a more difficult request, content creation for example. Let's try writing about pyramids. Oh, the content is pretty good. I think we can save a ton of time with GPT chat. If I need to write about this, it could take an hour. This tool is awesome, great. As far as I know, it's also programmable. I'll try a simple program, sort even and odd numbers for example. It really works. Awesome, it will definitely be a useful tool for programmers and those who want to learn programming too. This is really a great tool, and it's completely free. You can sign up and try it out at any time. It's great, isn't it? If you have any questions, please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to support us.